Hello everyone, welcome back to World of AI Ideas. My name is Rohit. I am the presenter for the day. Well, this is the first time we are shooting a video with live person in it. We are not an AI, but we will be learning AI. So last week we promised to show or build some n8n automations and to show it to you, especially focused on the real estate industry. So here we are. Let's see, we have already created a few workflows and we'll talk about it. So we're making this zero admin real estate architecture. We're replacing the $70,000 overhead with AI automation. Well, the person who is working right now, they have to or juggle a lot of work. This is not actually replacing them, but this is actually enhancing the way that they work with the new way. It doesn't cost much. We can still hire somebody to do this, but it will help reduce a lot of the workload of a person who is working. It might also help you shrink the size of the team, but that is not the main agenda. It's all about increasing the productivity at work, right? So we will build this we'll try to build it in under 5 minutes. We've already built it. We'll show you the way to do it. So we'll show you 3 different n8n workflows. The first one is automating listings. We want to give some characteristics to the n8n workflow of what we are about to list, and it will help the workflow will help us to make a very good copyright out of it. It should be very lucrative, and we'll show you how it makes. The second one is speed to lead. Suppose some lead is trying to connect with you. How do we respond back to them? We'll show small application of it. And the third one is market research. We can scout the data of a particular area and feed it to the AI, and the AI will give you an analysis of it. And the best part is everything will cost less than $1. We have also made a video on OpenAI versus DeepSeek, and here I have put $5 in this DeepSeek, and we will show you. I have already made it and how it costs even less than 50 cents to run all of these automations, right? So we'll move on to the first automation, the copywriter in this case. We have given this as an input to it. We'll trigger the n8n workflow and we'll see how the output comes. This is our first automation that we have made using n8n. We have given some inputs to the entry fields already. When we make the actual workflow for any particular corporate, then it will be a little different. We will definitely create an interface where people can input. So here we have given some address, specs, features, and price. And we have connected this node to an HTTP request node. It is connected to API of DeepSeek. We have already done all of those connections over here. And we have given some inputs to it. The output is already ready. I still give you the example of how an n8n workflow usually works. So when we click this, whichever is in green, which means that node has already been successfully finished. The work in that node has finished and it is moved on to the next one. Like, see, the draft has not yet triggered. Draft of in email is not yet triggered. The HTTP request, it is still loading, so we are waiting for the output from HTTP request. Then it will create the draft. Now see, the entire automation is complete. The workflow executed successfully. Message or notification pops up in our screen. Now there is no draft as of now. I'll double click. See, a draft is here. It is giving a proper copyrighted listing, right? You can copy paste it, or you can feed the inputs to the n8n workflow, the node of DeepSeek HTTP node, and we can tweak the output that you specifically want. So here it is very well written. Welcome to the story of 123. This isn't just a house, it's the quiet, sun-dappled backdrop for your family's next chapter. Picture laughter echoing in the spacious open kitchen as homework is done on a slick quartz counters. So it helps reduce your work. You don't have to really find somebody to do all of these copywriting activities. AI can easily help you elevate that and reduce time and reduce cost. So that is our first. So it from raw data it moves to psychological narratives. It also connects at a deeper level with the customer who is viewing this particular output or copy, if I may say so. So reasoning models don't just write, they adapt. Yeah. So we will move on to the next one, the speed responder, how a lead is trying to connect with your company and how fast can you give an output. In the video that we made previously, it is said that if we connect to a lead within 5 minutes, our chances of conversion is very, very high. But USA is lagging in this. In USA, the data shows that it takes around 44 hours to respond to one person who is trying to connect. So the interest fizzles out, right? So in this particular example, we have tried to act as a customer. In the edit fields, suppose there is a ask anything section in your website. Suppose a person called Michael Scott has asked, is 123 Maple Ave still available? I want to see it. I want to see it this weekend. So now somebody has to really reply. What is the property name? 123 Maple Ave. So here, whenever somebody asks about this kind of an input, I'm sure there would be one particular way to fit this into the HTTP request. There are websites from where leads can be generated, and these leads can be funneled into this workflow. The HTTP request node has been made in a similar fashion, but with different JSON body, right? And it will also create a draft in this case. So I'll execute the workflow. Right now there is only one draft that we made previously. I have connected the Gmail system also to n8n to enable the draft to be made. You have to give access to all of this. So the second workflow is also completed, by the way. Let's see. See, a second draft has come, and the AI system, the DeepSeek model, gives an output. Hey Michael, yes, 123 Maple Ave is still available. I can set up a viewing for you this weekend. The Saturday at 10 AM or 2 PM work better. So see, it makes your life very easy. I'm sure the conversion rate that you're getting right now, it will only increase with this kind of an efficiency in the system. Let's move on. Now we will see how suppose you want to do an industry audit, what others are offering. You have a chunk of data that you have to read, and then you have to analyze. So here we will see one example where we are making an n8n workflow again, where it will synthesize. We have fabricated a type of data, and it will bring things into order. So quite similar in the edit fields. In the fields we have given an input, raw appraisal data. So we have fed a bunch of inputs. What we have given some inputs of renovated and original kitchen renovation, and or if I want to make a fresh kitchen from scratch, or if I want to renovate one kitchen, what are the costs that we see across industry? These are fabricated data points. So similarly, there is a system, but this time it will send me a message. Let me see how the execution flows. The workflow is loading. AI head is trying to think what kind of a response needs to be triggered, and yeah, see, a message has been sent. So earlier in this earlier two scenarios we have made drafts, but now we'll be getting an email, and I have kept my own email ID purposefully so that I can show you what kind of an input comes. See, market alert, renovation premium calculated for one particular zip code. and it gives in a very good structure. This structure has been defined by me so that the AI can follow this structure well. How many properties have renovated their kitchen? What is the total price? Renovation premium is more. So that kind of an output you will get. So the AI brain analyzes it for you, right? So chaotic data, it's bringing into an order. The analyst reads what you don't have time to read. So DeepSeek version 3 will help you come to it. Now I'll show you what kind of a cost all of this is incurring. Right now, yesterday I made this flows, today I'm recording the video. You can see in both the days it is still, we have not even covered 1 cent, and I think I have done a lot of iterations already. There are total 6 API requests that I have made. Input tokens and output tokens are also seen here, right? So all of this in less than 1 cent. What else do we need? Yeah, so it has a huge annual cost savings. So I can see the value that DeepSeek provides in this case. That's it. We are trying to build. We have tried to build a copywriting machine, a sales engine, and an analytical engine, all under minutes. Yeah. So if you want all of this from me, you can comment workflow, and I'll try to get your email ID, and we'll mail it to you, all the JSON files, right? The architecture will continue. We'll keep on deep diving on industries, and we'll try to keep on building workflows. Yeah, I need to take a few subscriptions. I've been taking a few free ones, but I'm sure with your support, the more you subscribe, the more I go towards the monetization goal, and I'm sure you will be funding me for all of this. I hope to give you more such valuable content. So please subscribe, and we will be trying to make one negotiation bot next. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Have a great day.